UFO spotted in
All
Las
right,
Vegas,
so
NV.
I'm not entirely sure what this is. I pulled over to the side of the road because I noticed that thing in the air. I can try to zoom in on it as best as I can, but yeah, it's not really clear what it is. It's not moving. It's kind of like suspended in midair. There is no string at all. There's no string underneath it. That's not a balloon. I don't know what that is, but you can see it. I'm going to zoom in right there underneath it. There's no string whatsoever. And this thing is literally hovering above this community, just like a black ball of something. I don't know what it is. Super weird. Wow.